Hi guys, good morning. I trust you've had a lovely night. Today is Saturday, the 25th of June, and I decided to film this video because starting now I want to be active like in my updates, giving you regular updates on what is happening in my life. So today, starting my day off, I woke up like this. Yeah, yesterday was sherehe night kidogo. Me and my friend Christine, we stepped out and we had a hangout. My cat is misbehaving on the background. Almost dropped off my phone. Yeah, so last night we had a hangout at Nakosi. Nakosi is one of the joints here in Kakuma. Yeah, so we stayed up late for a couple of hours. So I came in a little bit wasted. Today morning I need to work on a document that I have. It's on translation because right now I survive in between different gigs, like I hustle and do everything. So I love doing this. If this was something that was available like on day-to-day basis, because it comes once in a while, I would be doing this like forever, because my work is only to translate into whichever language I'm conversant with, or whichever that has been assigned to me. And the task today is to translate from English to Kiswahili. Then after that, we'll be recording that. I think after that, I want to go to one of my favorite joint in Kakuma, and I want to take you with me. Yeah, that's why I decided to like start the conversation here and start this video from here. Yeah, so I'll be taking you with me to my favorite place in Kakuma. Kakuma is one of the refugee camp in Kakuma. Like Kakuma is the biggest town like in this area. Then after that you go to the area segregated for refugees. Yeah, so Kakuma is now like the main thriving and like progressive town here, and I like it. Like if I wasn't living in town, I could be living in Kakuma. Literally, I love that place. Yeah, and most of my friends, they live there, so I'll be going there to show you which is my favorite spots and what I do when I go to such places. So watch through and follow through the vlog. Meanwhile, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, that's the way you show support to my work. And I think also if you like to leave a comment, please drop it, and then I'll be able to reach out to you. So see you on the subsequent, yeah, that's the word. Leave me on the subsequent. No. Okay, so see you on the subsequent vlog. Hello again, welcome. Live video from Kikwetu. So I felt the vibe in the house was not working, and I decided to come here, take breakfast as I do my work, which I'm done. I'll be done like in the next 1-2 minutes. So for those who are interested in pursuing probably translation work as a side hustle or a main hustle, what normally happens if you get somebody who has given you the script for you to translate, you go directly on Google, where there's those dots like on the Google homepage. So you click on translation, then you change whichever language that you want to. If it's English, Kiswahili English, English Arabic, any language, and it's so free. So once you do that, then now you take your content and you put it in like 2 different slides where you can be able to refer, because Google is going to translate, give you like probably, let's say 90% accuracy, but because of the flow you might need to edit. You definitely need to edit if you want your work to be immaculate. So that's normally what I do, and I think I'll be done like in the next 2 minutes. After that I go to the house, shower, alafu nitoke, because I hope to be there. We are doing the recording by 10. Yeah, so catch you on the next slide. Part 3 of the vlog, stepping out. Drip iko sawa. Kofia nilipewa na my local pastor. Yeah, and I like it. Kakuma is very, very, very hot. It's like, I think right now it's around 33 degrees centigrades. Yeah, scorching hot. Watu wa Nairobi, nasikia mnaumia. So, you know the drill. I'm headed to Kakuma 1. Alafu go do my work. Then after that I'll be going to my favorite place kwenye mimi napenda sana. Like if you don't find me in that place when I tell you I'm in Kakuma 1, it's because I'm broke. Na niko broke ile mbaya, cause you see like they sell their items on a very affordable price. It's expensive, but it's my place. Like I can go there, have conversation, have my meetings there, and get things done. Yeah, so see you on the next slide. So hi again, here we are. I'm in Kakuma 1 in a place called Burundian Market next to Kisimayu Primary. So this is one of my favorite places. It's owned by my friend. His name is called Samir. His name is Samir. Yeah, so his shop name is Kolakisa, but it's not yet branded. I want to switch the video on the other side so that you guys can see.
Tunataka sosi ya mwanamke.